Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum completed a 5-wave move down overnight, or potentially completed it. You can always extend out further to the downside, but it seems like this 5-wave move is complete and we're heading now for a little bit of a larger bounce to the upside. Currently watching for this move to the downside. One second. Currently watching for this move to the downside as obviously a 5-wave move in a C wave of a wave 2. So we peaked here in a B wave on the 6th of May and we're coming down in a 5-wave move. Now, if this is an ending diagonal and the move down of the 10th of May high to the 12th of May low here at 1738 was an A wave, and the Tuesday high at 1870 was a B wave high, and we're now working on a C wave down. Or if I just do this, and we have an impulse down, that doesn't make a great difference in the short term, but I'm observing both scenarios. I feel this one with an impulse down would be less in line with Bitcoins. So it both makes sense. So I'm just playing around with this, but in the short term, they don't make a great difference. The point here is that we have a possible 5-wave move to the downside complete. So what could be happening is that in this C wave here, we're also getting 5 waves down, and that the move of the Tuesday high to yesterday's low, which printed here at 1763, that this was just a wave 1. That this was a wave 1, and we're now moving up in a wave 2 of wave C. So that's sort of the idea, and then we could head down next in a wave 3. And then we could get a wave 4 and a wave 5 of wave C. So these are sort of the ideas. This is sort of what I play around with at the moment. This is my idea that this could now lead to a little bit of a larger bounce, or at least a bit more of a substantial bounce, because obviously we had 5 waves down. When that is complete, it doesn't mean it couldn't extend further down more directly. It can, but the point is, I think how this needs to be seen is that it now has the potential to move up to 1847, which is the 78.6 retracement. As sort of a maximum in a wave 2. I don't like the term maximum because prices can always go a little higher here, but it's sort of standard retracement. The wave 2 should ideally not go above the 78.6 retracement of the potential wave 1. So we've got 1847 as important pivot point. As long as we stay below that, we can head down further in this orange third wave. So it's a bit like that. And then we should get a 4th and a 5th. That's sort of how this ideally should unfold. And retracements should be clear. Obviously, if we now break the overnight low, which was 1763, right? We probably head down more directly, and then we'll have support around that 1750 area here, where we had previous support. And that's my view. So looking at the bigger picture again, it ideally unfolds like that. A wave, B wave, C wave. And we can also look at common targets for the C wave. So we take the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, and the C wave can take us to around 1628, the 1.618 extension. That, to be honest, looks okay in terms of proportions. What I really like is that the wave 1 here reached the 61.8 extension. That's a good level. It's a good start for a wave 1. It's not too long, and we could now get that wave 2 bounce. And so, by the way, there was a dog who just came into the room to say good morning. But this is sort of how I would see this, right? It's subject to change, of course, as the market makes new information available to us. But that's sort of for the best view. Again, this view is valid, but this view is likely as long as we stay below 1847. And it is valid as long as we stay below 1872. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.